A very good day for those who is watching this video. So today I'm going to talk about the heart. Today's video is quite different from the other video has been made, because we are going to see not only the structures of the human heart, but we will see how the evolution take place among the vertebrates in terms of the heart structures. Starting from the fish. Fish has the most simplest structures, not the most simplest one, but a simpler structure. Consists of only two chambers, which is the atrium and the ventricles, as you can see. Now, moving on to the frog. Starting from the frogs, the atrium has been divided into two chambers, separated chamber, which is the right atrium and the left atrium, and one ventricle. Noticing that there is a region in the ventricle where the deoxygenated and the oxygenated blood will be mixed. So, moving to the reptile. In reptile, you can see that there is a significant difference, whilst the septum is actually rising up or developing from the bottom of the ventricle and trying to separate the ventricle into two chambers. Yet, the separation is not complete, as there is a small region here, a very small region of the oxygenated blood will mix with the deoxygenated blood. Yet the atrium is completely separated. Septum is halved or almost developed. While moving to avian, in avian, this is actually a 2D diagram of the avian heart. The avian, which means birds. As usual, the atria is basically separated into the right and the left atriums. But the septum here, if you notice that it is actually completely separated ventricle into two separating chamber, resulting in the right ventricle and the left ventricles. Therefore, resulting that starting from the avian, the heart has four chambers. If you notice that the ventricle, the cavity of the ventricle is basically quite small, comparing to the mammal heart, in this case, which is a human heart, it's quite complex, as it has a more branch aorta, but the atrium is still separated into the right and the left atrium, and the ventricle, as always, has completely separated by the septums into the left and the right ventricle. Noticing that the wall of the ventricle is quite thinner, therefore resulting in a bigger cavity, bigger chamber in the ventricle. That's all from my video. Thank you.